Hey guys, I am hopefully going to show you how to open up a PDF from Google Classroom, write on it, and then submit it. So here we go. When you click on this, hopefully, you will get an open with up here, and you want to open with Doc Hub. Now, if you don't see Doc Hub, that is okay. You can get it. Just go down here to the Connect More Apps, and it will take you to like the Chrome App Store or whatever, and it's free. Just download it, add it on, whatever it is. So we're going to go to Doc Hub, and we're going to let it load. And now I have what we have as a PDF, and I am going to be able to, on this PDF, type. So if I wanted to type in my name here, be like, my name is Becca. All right, there it is. And I can also freehand draw. So over here, maybe it is asking me to, it says sketches, draw a plant doing, a leaf. So I can change the thickness and the color of my pen. And I'm going to draw this lovely leaf here. Oh, the talent, right? And then we can also highlight, which is important because you're going to be annotating this video script. So what that means is, just like in English class, just like you do in your books, you're going to be making notes where you see specific information. So choose your highlight tool, choose a color to highlight. That purple is just beautiful. And I'm going to highlight, when in purple, content from the script that I already know. So stuff I already know is going to go in purple. I'm going to change over to something different. Let's do yellow. And I'm going to do the yellow highlighting for information that I felt was new to me. Oh, well, that one was supposed to be purple. Obviously, you can undo. There we go. So now I'm going to highlight a new thing and make it yellow. Then we're also going to use a question mark. So lucky for you, there is a stamp function here. So I can actually choose this question mark stamp and whatever color I want. And I can stamp in the text where I think a good question would be. So maybe, and I'm going to write like a test style question, like true or false, plants would are an important part of oxygen production. Then you're going to underline any vocabulary terms, and then I would define those out here, honestly. So let's say that you feel like photosynthesis, producers, that's a word, a vocab word that you remember from earlier this year. So I come over here, maybe I'm going to define producers are usually my plants, sometimes bacteria, and they usually photosynthesize or chemosynthesize, and they're at the base of my food chain. Just refreshing my vocabulary and any new vocabulary that you want. So this column is what you're filling in, and you should be annotating on this one. So as you read, you are highlighting things you already knew in one color, information that is new to you in a second color. You can use the question mark stamp, and you're going to be making like test style questions over to the side, which means true or false, short answer. Think about prefixes, suffixes, and root words that you might see, pulling in information from other topics that we've studied this year. Multiple choice, of course, short answer, connecting ideas, so analogies. There's a million different types and styles of questions that you can make over here. So this side should be filled in. So you filled it in, and you're like, all right, it looks good. Wow. Now I need to save. So what you're going to do is, I need to expand my screen a little bit, is come over here, and you should be able to, let me move my face, download and export. And from here, hopefully you see this very familiar symbol of Google Classroom, and you can click that. And now apparently I have a shareable link. Now I'm not 100% that it worked, so I'm also going to download. So I've downloaded it over here, and it has saved at the bottom of my computer. And so I can now upload that into Google Classroom if I need to. And you can see it saved all my annotations. So this is your first time annotating on the screen probably. So it might feel a little uncomfortable or new. You're just going to have to fiddle with it. It'll be fine. It doesn't have to be pretty. But I do expect it to look like you were making these notes in this effort. So I think, on a scale, if I'm giving you 10 points for this assignment, you need to have at least 10 very significant pieces of stuff that I can give you credit for. So please feel free to IM me if you need help working on this, or shoot me an email. I'm here, and good luck.